In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Microsoft Teams name. So this is actually quite simple. All you need to do is open the Microsoft Teams application or do this on your browser and then sign into your account. Now next up, you can click on this icon right there. It's kind of your profile icon and you'll find your profile. Click on edit profile right there, which is under your name, and you'll find this. Now right there is where you can actually change the name that you would like to use in Teams. As you can see right there, enter the name you'd like to use. So this is where you can change your name. So next up, enter the name that you would like to go with, and then all you need to do is click on save right there. And that's how you can change your name on Microsoft Teams. So if this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.